So to all our friends at home, we're going to read our learning target, and we are going to start right in with our concept development. We have 3 word problems, and I posted them online for you guys on Seesaw. What I would suggest is you do them with us, because I'm showing, we're doing them together in class, so I want you guys to do them with us too. What does that mean? Watch the video, go back to your template. Do it like we do. Watch a little more of the video, go back to your template. You can toggle back and forth between the template and the video as many times as you want, but I don't want you practicing incorrectly. So if I'm guiding you through the solving of these word problems, that's what you need to do and submit. Okay? So let's read our learning target and see exactly what kind of word problems we're going to be doing. Let me put this way. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We can solve 2-step word problems involving multiplying by multiple of 10. So we know we're going to be doing 2-step word problems. I'm going to underline that. They are some of the very hardest or most difficult, I would like to say challenging. So if you're up for a challenge, if you're ready to grow your brain, these are the ways you can really grow your brain. And the more you work at it, the easier, I promise, the easier they will get. Okay? So let's read the word problem, first word problem together. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Each day, Andrea does 25 squats to warm up for gymnastics practice and 15 squats to cool down after practice. How many squats does she do in all when she practices Monday through Friday? So let's start by underlining our notes. Make sure your name is on the top of the paper. Nice job. Nevaeh had a great strategy. Thank you, sweetheart. Divide your paper. You know it's going to be a 2-step problem. Let me get a better marker there. A little better. Okay. So each day Andrea does 25 squats to warm up and 15 squats to cool down. Okay, let's stop right there. What does that make you wonder? She does 25 squats to warm up and 15 squats to cool down. What are you wondering right now? I know what I'm wondering, because I don't like to do squats, so I'm wondering, Luke.
How many squats is that?
Yeah, how many squats is that? Nice job, bud. Excellent. That's what you need to do with a 2-step problem. You need to stop and say, okay, what am I wondering? I know she does 25 beforehand and 15 afterwards. I need to know how many she does in all, okay? So before we can figure out how much she does all week, let's figure out how much she does for one practice. So what concept is that? 25 squats beforehand, 15 squats afterwards. Everybody knows what it is. Part, whole. Nice job, Nevaeh. I'm so proud of you, girl. So let's draw our picture for part, whole. And we're going to label our first part. How about W for warm up? And how about our other part can be C for cool down. All right? And let's put our notes in there. How many squats does she do to warm up? Well, it's right there, 25. How many squats does she do to cool down? 15. What's our unknown? How many she does altogether. Go ahead and write a number sentence then for that. What number sentence do you write for that? Number sentence is written horizontally. We got 2 parts and we have to figure out our whole. Very good. Go ahead and solve it if you got it. What? Very good. Nice job. That was speedy, Kate. Boy, I got some kids on fire here in school. I hope you're working hard at home. Very good. All right, William, what did you write for your number sentence for this? Oh, he did S. I like that. And now what does S equal? He did 40. Yeah. Or she did 40. 40 spots. I used to write the number sentence, remember? Boys and girls, those who do the work? If you wait for Mrs. Reed to write it, you're not really doing any thinking, okay? So we know she does 40 squats for one practice. But let's continue to read. How many squats does she do in all when she practices Monday through Friday? So what I'd like to do to organize these thoughts in my head is I want to make a Monday box. I think labels are so important in order to make your work clear. Well, how many squats does she do on Monday, everybody? 40. What comes after Monday? Tuesday. How many squats does she do on Tuesday? 40. Let's make another box for Wednesday. And how many squats does she do on Wednesday? 40, yeah. What comes after Wednesday, class? Thursday. I like to put PH for Thursday just to make it different from Tuesday. She does 40 on Thursday. And then on Friday she does, poor girl, she probably takes a break on Saturday and Sunday. All right, now there's another picture. Go ahead and write a number sentence. For that, we can use the letter S again for squats if you want. What number sentence would you write? Notice they are multiples of 10. We've got equal groups. Look how many equal groups you have. What's the size of each group? Even though the numbers are bigger, the concept is the same. How many groups are there and what is the size of each group? Oh, I like the way Xavier is showing the skip counting, which is helpful. But technically, you don't need the skip counting if you know the strategy for multiplying by multiple. Put your hand on your head if you have a number sentence written. I want to know how many people are still thinking. Give you 30 more seconds since Josh had in. I see Kendon. This one could very easily have been a tape diagram put in the back. I just drew mine separately to some separate days, but that's what Kendon drew with a tape diagram. Okay, Chase, why don't you give us your number sentence? What did you write, bud? Yeah, 5 times, not 4, 5 times. Oh, you have 5 groups. What's the size of each group? Yep, 5 times 40. Anybody didn't get the answer to that yet? Okay, well let's underline our hidden fact. Walk me through it, girl. What's my hidden fact I see in there?
5 times 4.
Yeah, what's 5 times 4? Skip count by 5. 20. And then all we gotta do is add up?
0.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, I gotta say. So, how many squats does she do in all? Let's write her TS. She does. Yep, 200 squats in all. Now what I like about these problems, they're actually having you practice 2 different skills. Can you write number sentences when one of the numbers is a multiple of 10 and solve it? That's easy. And then we're also practicing 2-step word problems, which are a little bit difficult, but like I said, the more you get used to them, the more you practice them, the easier they will get. Okay? All right. Yeah. Would you slide that up? Very good. All right, our next one, somebody's buying some cups. All of these are so similar to what might really happen if you're having a party or you're going to the store and you're trying to figure out how many to buy, okay? So Jenny buys 7 packages of cups. What are you picturing in your head right now? 7 packages. Let's underline that note. 30 cups come in each package, so now I'm picturing in my mind a sleeve of cups that says on the outside 30. Very good. She uses 172 cups for a party, are known as how many cups does she have left? Well, I know she buys some, and I know she uses some. We have to figure out how many she has left. But what are you wondering right now? She's got 7 packages with 30 in each package. Xavier, what are we wondering? How many she bought? Yeah, how many about, we don't know, so let's do what Nevaeh taught us to do. Let's divide our paper up. And go ahead and draw. What are you gonna draw for 7 packages with 30 cups each package? Draw it. Draw it, and you can if you want, but it's gonna be a big number box. I'm gonna let you draw, and then we'll share some of the strategies. If you can picture it in your mind, you can draw it. I like what Sadie's doing. So I saw a number bond. I saw a tape diagram. I saw equal groups. I saw a lot of different things. Okay. Jason, I'm not sure why you're using the red pencil. All right, so let me show you, and friends at home, you only have to draw one picture. I hope that while your friends were working on it here in class, that you helped work on it at school or at home too. So 7 packages. So some people just did this. They drew 7 packages with 30. So equal groups. I call this equal groups. 4, 5, 6. Some people did that. Or you could do, some people did a cake diagram. And they did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They did 7 units and they put 30 in each one. That also represents it well, doesn't it? Or I saw at least one person do a number bond, but the number bond had to look like this. It needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It needed 7 parts for each of the 7 packages, and then we could put 30 inside each one. So friends at home, I hope you drew a picture on your own, but if it doesn't look like one of these, or it doesn't show 7 groups of 30, then you might want to change your work. Remember how easy it is to change your work on Seesaw. All right, so we got this picture, shows 7 packages. We got this picture, shows 7 packages. We got this picture, shows 7 packages. Everybody's going to write the same number sentence. Go ahead and write your number sentence for that. I know some of you have already done it. What number sentence are you going to write? Should be easy. It's multiplication. It's equal groups. Who wants to share their number sentence that they wrote? Okay, go ahead. You underlined your hit back. Nice. I love the way you explained that. Very good. She underlined her hidden fact. She got 21. She added a 0. So what does 210 represent? I've kind of forgotten. In all that work, what does 210 represent? There. Yeah, it represents all the cups you bought. Yep. So that's why this is a 2-step problem. First, we had to figure out how many cups you bought, and then, of course, she used 172 for a party, and now we have to figure out how many she has left. So what will the second part of our work be? She has a bunch of cups. I hate to say it, but it is classic. She has a bunch of cups. She uses some for a party, and she has some left. Everybody, what is that? Part of a whole. When you have a hole and you use some, you have some left, you're breaking the hole into 2 parts. Okay? So let's go ahead and draw our number bond. Okay, well, let's finish this first, okay? What do we know? We know she has 210 cups, right? What else do we know? We know she uses 172. And this will be the cup she has left. What number sentence will you write? Hopefully everybody knows. You have the whole, you have one part. What number sentence will you write, Marcy?
210 minus 110.
Very good. 210 minus 172. You can show your algorithm, but you do need this number sentence. This is really important. Make sure you do that. 210 minus 172. What'd you get? What'd you get? Okay, so Kate said you got 38. What?
You should get
For P equals, we could have, yeah. So it wasn't really P, it was cups. Would have been cups. So we can't say, we can't take 2 from 0, 0 minus 2, we can't do it, so we have to unbundle. Now we have 10 ones, 10 minus 2 is 8. We can't take 0 minus 7, so we have to unbundle again. This becomes 10, 10 minus 7 equals 3. Our answer is 38. What's the last thing we need, boys and girls?
Yes.
Yes. How many cups does she have left? She has 38 cups. Okay, so friends at home, we did those two together. There's one more on the back. I want you to try to do it on your own. And remember, all these steps are important for you to include. 2 steps, 2 number sentences, and a target sentence. We'll come back and do that last one during your science. Okay? What?